Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent one of our delicacies, pannenkoeken. This is how we say pannenkoeken. Pannenkoeken. The emphasis is on the first syllable. Pannenkoeken. Pan-NEN-KOE-KEN. Pannenkoeken. And as you can hear, I did not really pronounce the N's in the first part. So we generally just say pannenkoeken. So we did not pronounce the third N and the fourth N. The singular is pannekoek. 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 You can put almost anything on top of pannenkoeken. Bacon, fruits, powdered sugar, hagelslag, chocolate sprinkles, syrup, whatever you want. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!